Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active 3 Premium, and today I'm going to show you how to add the workout to the workout menu on this watch. So let's get started. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and then we need to open the workout menu. So swipe left on the screen to open the menu, find the workout icon and tap on it. And here we have the workout menu, and as you can see, we have some workouts right here on the list, but some of them might be missing, and you have this option called more workouts, and then you can open it. And here we have a list of additional workouts we can choose from. But let's say you want to have specific workout right here on the list, so you don't need to go through the menus. You just open the workout menu and tap on it to start the workout. And you can do that. And to do that, you need to scroll down, tap on this edit icon right here, then tap on this plus icon. Now scroll through the categories, find the workout category you want to use, tap on it, and here we have the category, the workouts from the specific category. Let's say I want to use the open water swimming. I'm gonna tap on the plus next to it, and now we can position it on the list. I want it to be at the top because it's going to be important for me. So I'm going to slowly move it to the top, then tap on the check mark. And now if I go back and open the workout list, here we have the open water swimming, and it's gonna stay up the top of the list. You can also rearrange the menu. So we can tap on edit again, tap on the workout. Let's say you want to move walking higher. You can tap on the workout and then move it higher and tap on the check mark to confirm. You can also remove the workouts from the menu. So let's say you don't need something anymore. You can tap on it, tap on the bin icon, and the workout will be removed. And once you're done, you can exit the editing mode by pressing the back button a couple of times. And basically that's how you add the workout to the workout menu on this watch. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.